Our August recipe is panko crumbed mackerel with rhubarb and gooseberry relish and horseradish green. This dish was created by the talented self-taught home cook Brian Topping. It is a beautiful amalgamation of two recipes by Hannah Glasse from 1777 and something Alan Davidson picked up from Dublin in his Seafood of the North Atlantic from 1979. The Northeast Atlantic mackerel stock that spawns along the southwest coast of Ireland is currently sustainably harvested, but the situation is a bit more complex and the industry has not retained its Marine Stewardship Council certificate. If you want to find out more, visit our website.